how to add GIF in WhatsApp profile picture. So if you want to add GIFs in your WhatsApp profile picture, then you won't have that option, right? So what you need to do is first open up your WhatsApp application. Once you open your WhatsApp, now you just need to go for chats, any one of your chats that you're comfortable with. Once you're on the chats, you need to go for the message and then you need to send a GIF. So simply send a GIF, tap on send. Once you've sent the message, now you just need to save that image. So open up that image and go for the upper right, which has that three dots, and then tap on save. And once you've saved that GIF, now you just need to go back and go for the upper right, which has that three dots, go for settings. Under settings, you need to simply go for your profile and tap on the camera icon, choose the gallery and choose the GIF that you have just saved. So simply choose the GIF, and once you've chosen, tap on done, which is on the bottom right, and once you tap on done, your GIF will be added to your WhatsApp profile picture. So that's how you can add GIFs on your WhatsApp profile picture, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.